Hey there, how you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly disassemble and package any Leap chair for safe return. Okay, so for this project you will need a rubber mallet, pipe wrench, long flathead screwdriver, and packing tape. Now let's get to it. Alright, so guys, first step we want to do is remove the seat. We do not really need to remove the back, but we do want to remove the seat. Step back here and remove it quick. Just using a flathead screwdriver. It's a little bit long. Once the seat's removed, just set it aside. Alright, next step will be to remove the cylinder from the chair. So we do want to lay the chair down gently on its back. Grab my pipe wrench. I'm going to attach the pipe wrench to the cylinder as close to the chair as we can. Nice firm grip on it. And it's just a friction fit, so with a little pressure it should pop right out. There we go. It should come off from the chair. And then next step would be to remove the cylinder from the base. So I have a mallet and just strike down. Should remove. Cylinder aside. Next step will be to remove the casters from the base. So we just want to have the base upside down. Grab a caster and you can just pull up. Get all 5 off real quick. And your chair is fully disassembled and ready for safe return. Alright guys, so now we have the chair fully disassembled. Now it's time to repackage it for safe return. This is where we want to reuse the original packaging required in our return process. So I have the original box and the original fill that came with it. So the first step I want to do is put some on the bottom. 3 or 4 pieces on the bottom. Just kind of cushion everything. Next I'll put the cylinder in. If you have the bubble wrap, you can wrap it gently in the bottom. If you have the original packaging for the casters, go ahead and reuse it. If not, just throw them here in the bottom. That'll be just fine. Next up, we want to put the chair frame in there. A few things to note on this first. I would like the arms down. And if you have the bubble wrap, go ahead and reapply that to the arm pads. You want to protect the arm pads at all costs. Like so. And if you have the original bag, throw it over the top. And that's just to protect the fabric. So now we are ready to put this into the box. I'm going to grab behind here. Gently into the box. Positioning it like so. Okay, next up we want to put a few more pieces of paper in there. Put some against the fabric and as well as behind the back. Protecting all sides. Next up we have the seat. Same as the back. If you have a plastic bag, throw over top of it. And we want the seat pad pressed against the back pad. Like so. Alright, next we have the chair base. We want to put the chair base in like this. Between the seat pad and the chair box. And last little pieces of filler. Put it on top and all 4 sides. Okay, so now we have the chair in our box. The next step we want to do is properly tape it up and secure it for return shipping. So we do want to make sure we put the tape on the top. We want at least 6 pieces. I like to do a couple this way just to close the box up. Next, I like to come off to the side. And I'm going to do 3 pieces this way. All right, so I've got at least 6 pieces on the top. I do want to make sure the bottom is the same way, so 6 pieces on the bottom. I do want to put the shipping label on next. That's our last step. So I have the shipping label here. I just want to put it on top. And then with your tape gun as well, just go ahead and secure the shipping label to the box. All right, so now we have the box all ready to go. If you have any questions about this process, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks guys, have a great day.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.